Hi, Assalamualaikum, good afternoon. I am Nabila Afifah, a marine technology major at UMT, here to present Eco Marine Guardian, an AI-driven platform for enhancing marine conservation. The problem is our ocean face threats like pollution and overfishing, but current conservative efforts are often inefficient and reactive. For the solution, Eco Marine Guardian use AI to provide real-time data and insight, enabling practice and effective marine protection. Impact is it streamlines conservation efforts, promotes sustainability practice, and helps preserve marine ecosystem. That's all from me. Thank you. I'm excited to hear your feedback and discuss how we can bring this project to life.